Hey there, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to delete liked videos on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. How to delete liked videos on TikTok? Click on the TikTok app. Your TikTok app will be open. Click on the inbox and profile. You can see here heart and your all liked videos will appear here. If you want to delete any of your liked videos, then simply you have to unlike that video and you can see that video will be deleted in your profile. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.